What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Gempages on Shopify store in order to customize and edit the looks of your pages. So let's get right to it. Gempages can help you edit all sorts of pages on your Shopify store, such as homepage and product page. So here, in order to use it, you first need to set up your Shopify store. As you can see here, I'm signed into my Shopify store. And you need to go to apps here, click on add apps. And here you will get a pop-up, scroll down, click on Shopify App Store. It'll open up the Shopify App Store for you. Just search for Gempages. Okay, click on enter. And this is the app that we want to install, the Gempages landing page builder. Click on it, click on install. And here click on install once again. Okay, it'll load up the page and you will be redirected to the Gempages builder dashboard, main dashboard. And here you have the option to create a new page or select the theme, which is a paid feature, which you can do since you are on the free plan right here. Now we want to click on create a new page just to show you how it works. And here you have all sorts of pages type, from home page, product page, collection page, click-through landing page, one product store, and so much more. And here you have templates. You can choose the templates that best suits your product type and your store theme or store looks and feels. So I'll just scroll through them, and you can scroll through the pages. You have 6 pages here. That's for the landing page. If you go to product page, you'll see different templates right here especially for product pages. So let's go ahead and let's choose this template. Okay, it'll open up the Gempages builder and it'll allow you to view how this template will look like on a desktop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. Okay, it's loading right now. And this is how it will look like. Okay, if you like it, you can click here on select this template and start editing it. Then it'll open up right now in the editor, and you can click here to open up in full screen to have a better view. And you can enable to always open pages in full screen if you want to. I'll cancel it for now. Now it opens, or it's loading the editor. And here you have the page and the editor itself. Now here you can control all the sections that are available for you, like the specifications. Here it has a title, like specifications. You can click on it, double click to highlight the text, and let's change it. Let's say, for example, specs. Okay, and here you can change every text element to the style that you want. And also we can choose the text size, or change the text size, make it bold, italic, underlined, or change the highlight and text color. Let's make the color, for example, red, or let's make it yellow to match the bike. Okay, looking good. And you can scroll down and you can click on any element. Here, this is like an image element or in an icon image. If you click on it, you won't be able to edit text. However, you can upload your own image right here or browse the gallery that's available. You can pick link here to add link to this image, so that once the client clicks on it, it'll open up a page. You can edit the size or the proportions and all sorts of settings. And you can also have access to some advanced settings as well, such as the spacing, positioning, shape, and corner, how the corner looks like, and so on. And I can also choose to display this icon or this image on desktop or tablet or mobile. So since this is the desktop view, it'll not disappear. However, once I go to the tablet view, as you can see, the image disappears. So that's pretty handy if you want to show some images or specific images on specific devices. And if I scroll down here, I can edit all sorts of elements, like this text element. I can choose the style here from the menu on the left. I can choose the font. Okay, let's choose the font right here. I can change it. As you can see, it changes in real time. And in these elements, in these banners, I can change the text as well as the image style, and I can also move things around. So I can copy this image right here on the top if I want to. And you can do the same with each element. This is a video element. I can choose the video source, YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5. And I can also add the video thumbnail and the video link and set it to autoplay, embed sound, loop, show control bar to control the video, and lazy load. So here, as you can see, I have control over each element, and here the tabs, I can set specific like text for each tab right here and choose the layout, even the layout. So the tabs at the top or on the left or on the right here. And if I scroll down, I can add the header styles for the tabs and normal, hover, or active. So once I hover over them, for example, it changes the background and changes text color. Now here I can view the templates. If I want to choose another template for this section, I can do so. Let's say I like this one. I can add it to page. And the template will now add it. Now, if I want to, I can add elements. Here I have rows, I have text heading, I have buttons, so I can add a button text here, or a button, sorry, element right here. And here I can change the settings for the button. I can add link, I can change the size, and I can show here more options to the like spacing, line spacing. And I can add a border, I can edit the corners and stuff like that. So here, as you can see here, I've made all sorts of edits. And once I'm happy with all the edits, I can click here on save to save the edits that I made. I can always view the edits history. And here I can click to publish the page that I just created. Now, since I'm editing a product page, it's chosen by default the product that I have, the basic hoodie that I have, and this is how the page will look like. And I can edit the main elements here of the page. So the icons for the rating, the title, the image for the product, and so on. And now if I click on publish, okay, now it's published successfully. I can view the template on Shopify. It'll open up my Shopify store and it'll open up the product page. And as you can see, the template or the looks is now like updated. The template is now added and it's applied. Of course, I can go ahead and edit all these elements, add all sorts of products, and add other images to replace these sample images of like a bike to match more of the looks and the product itself that I'm selling. So I'm selling here a t-shirt or a hoodie, so I don't need images of bikes. I can go ahead and replace these images for an image that or images of my product to better match the page itself, so it doesn't look random. So that was it. If I go back to my store, I can go ahead and add other elements. I can here, let's go to add. I can add icon and line. I can add icon list. I can add a line separator. I can add a banner. I can add image comparison. I can add item lists. I can add accordings and according list, for example. And I can add a carousel. So let's add an image carousel here. And if I click here on these two dots, which represents the elements of the carousel, I can choose how it's displayed. I can choose to display like 2 or 3 images at the same time. Okay, and if I click on each image, here, let's go to this specific one. Okay, and I can go here to the item management. I can replace items and I can choose images for each specific item as well. So whenever I do a change, I can save it and I can click on publish to publish the page. Now, if I click here to cancel or to like close this editor, I can go ahead and edit the home page as well, view the templates available for my home page and edit it with the same method. So it's basically a simple drag and drop editor, which I can click on any element to add or change the style. So that's basically it. That's how you can use Gempages Builder on Shopify store to customize the look and feel of your pages.